Hey guys, my name's Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So for today's video, I wanted to show you guys how to make fuzzy Christmas trees. And I always see trees like these in store, or trees of like the similar style in store, and they're always so ridiculously like priced up, which is crazy to me because they're super fast and easy to make. I think it took me like 5 minutes to make one, including making the cone for it. So let's just get started. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is make the cones for our trees. I'm going to do this by using poster paper from Dollar Tree, but you can do this on any type of paper, just make sure that it's thick. I'm going to make this cone 7 inches tall, so from the corner of the paper, I'm going to measure 7 inches in and then draw dots, and I'm going to do that all around. It's really important that from every angle it's evenly 7 inches, because this is going to make sure that the cone's bottom is going to be evenly flat. Now that my dots are done, I'm going to connect them and then I'm going to cut out my shape. This is what you should be left with, and now it's time to fold it into shape. And I'm just going to use some tape to hold this together. I ended up making 3 cones. Now, take whatever yarn you want, and we're going to use it to wrap around our cones to make our trees. I picked up this faux fur yarn at Joann's. So I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue at the top, and then I'm going to start wrapping. I'm doing a little bit of hot glue at a time, just so that it doesn't dry out before I get to it. Here at the bottom, I made sure to put hot glue all over the bottom wrap, just so that the yarn doesn't fall out. And that's basically it. We have our Christmas tree. I decided to make a few more, but yeah, you can make so many different little cone Christmas trees depending on the type of yarn that you have. And these are super fast and easy to make. I did want to decorate mine by using some foam glitter stickers that I got from Michael's. I also decided to wrap string lights around my trees, and look how pretty they look lit up. And the best thing about these is that you can hide the battery packs inside of the trees since they're cones. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys try this one out because it's so quick and easy. And let me know if you have any questions, and subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!